Don't miss out on our latest videos. Hit subscribe and click the bell icon to stay up to date with our expert natural remedies and lifestyle tips. Are you tired of feeling sluggish and weighed down by toxins? You're not alone. But did you know that a simple, natural remedy can help you detox your body and feel revitalized? In this video, we'll show you how to make a powerful detox juice with carrots and papaya. If you're feeling tired and weighed down, it may be time to detox your body. The detox process can be complex, but don't worry, we've got you covered. The toxins in processed foods can cause inflammation and damage to your liver and digestive system. That's why it's important to give your body the nutrients it needs to naturally detoxify. The secret to our detox juice is the combination of carrots and papaya. Papaya is high in soluble fiber, which helps stimulate the intestine and aids digestion. It also contains papain, an enzyme that helps break down heavy foods and supports liver function. Carrots, on the other hand, are rich in vitamins and antioxidants that support kidney and lung function while preventing cancer. To make this detox juice, all you need is 600 grams of papaya, 400 grams of carrots, and 3 cups of drinking water. Blend the papaya and carrots together with some of the water. Once the mixture is smooth, add the remaining water and blend again. Don't add any sugar or sweetener and keep the juice in the fridge. Drink your papaya and carrot detox juice throughout the day in small portions. Do it for 2 days, but not consecutively. Do this detox once a week, and you'll notice an improvement in your digestive system in no time. By detoxing your body with this powerful juice, you'll feel more refreshed and energized than ever before. So why not try it out today? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more great content.